What up, Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out the Nike affiliate program. Okay, it doesn't matter where you are based in the world. We're going to talk about how you can start promoting Nike products and make some commissions by actually doing that. It's really, really cool. Okay, now, if you don't know about affiliate marketing, it's a $17 billion industry. All it is you're just referring big company products to anybody that wants to buy it online. And if somebody buys from your link, you get paid a commission directly from that company. In this example is Nike, right? So to get to this affiliate program, you just go to Google and type out Nike affiliate program. Whichever country that you're in, Nike's global, right? You're going to be able to get access to your local affiliate network where you can sign up for it. So this is the US one, for example, right? And with the US one, it's really cool. All it says here is that they've partnered up with different websites, including sports sites, fashion clothing and shoe sites, news sites, health and fitness sites, review sites, shopping directories, bloggers, influencers, and creators. Okay. Now, here's a cool thing. If you own one of these websites, like a big sports website, a review website, or you're like a blogger, maybe you have a following, right? So maybe you're on YouTube, you're on TikTok, you're on Instagram, you already speak to your followers and they're very interested in either you as a person or you're talking about sports, right? It's very easy for you to just come in here, grab a Nike affiliate link, talk to your followers about it, and then you can generate commissions. We'll talk about how much they pay out, right? But the way it works right here, if you're based in the US, is very simple, okay? So what you do is you click on apply now right here. And if you're based in the US, you're going to be linked to CJ Affiliate. Now, CJ Affiliate is a very large network. They work with all sorts of different companies that like to, have affiliate programs. And CJ Affiliate will handle all of the affiliate stuff, right? So you're going to get paid out by CJ Affiliate. It's free to sign up, really, really easy. You just click right here. You can be a beginner. It's not a big deal, okay? Now, we will talk about, promotion strategies and stuff like that and who this is really for and how much money you can make. Now, the Nike affiliate program in the US, it pays up to 15%. However, this is not for every single product, okay? Most of their products will pay around 5%. If you're based in Asia, it's about 4%, all right? So on selected products, you can make a little bit more, but in general, most of their products will pay between 4 and 5%, all right? So who is this for? How much money can you make? And how does this really work, right? So it's kind of like this. Affiliate marketing really is for anybody, but people that already have some sort of following, maybe you've got like 10,000 people following you on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram. They listen to you, you're uploading content regularly, or maybe you own one of these types of websites like a sports site, a news site, a review site, even a YouTube review channel where you're reviewing stuff. It's very easy for you to just come in here, sign up for CJ Affiliate, get your Nike affiliate link on a specific product that you want to talk about. Maybe it's the Nike pumps or maybe one of their jerseys or whatever. You talk about it in your post, you post it, a bunch of people click on your links, they buy, and you make a little bit of money, right? So again, 5% commissions on products is not super high, but it's very normal for physical products. So if you talk about any of the large retail companies out there, Target, Amazon, Nike, Reebok, all of their affiliate programs pay about 5%, all right? So I'll show you a way to make even more commissions, but for Nike, for physical goods, is pretty normal, all right? Now, who is this not for? If you're a complete beginner, that means you don't have any sort of following online. You're not an influencer, you're not a creator, you don't have any sort of website, you have no blog, you have no news site, sports site, right? It's going to be a little bit more difficult for you to promote this. It doesn't mean that you can't get started, right? But just hear me out. Because you don't have a following, even if you do sign up with CJ Affiliate right now, you're not going to make money straight away because you don't have a following that's following you for you to promote it to them, okay? So you're going to have to do all the work, which means that you're going to have to create sites and learn how to start generating some eyeballs and audience, and then you can start making money, which I can help you with in a second. But if you're a little bit more established, you know what you're doing. I think Nike obviously is a household name. Commission wise is very decent, very normal across the board for physical products, and you can get signed up very, very easily with CJ Affiliate. If you're based in Asia, it might be a slightly different network. The way that you get access to that for Nike in Asia, all you do is you go to Google, type out Nike affiliate program, and whatever link pops up, they will link you to the Asian affiliate network where you can sign up and get your link. So it's slightly different depending on where you live in the world, okay? But same process, type out Nike affiliate program and go and sign up with the local network that you get shown on your Google search results. Very, very simple, all right? So if you want to check it out, Nike affiliate program, pretty cool. Now, if you're here watching this video and you're a beginner, maybe you've never seen anything on my channel before, but you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you want to tap into that $17 billion industry. I've made millions of dollars selling affiliate products. I do it in a very specific way. I'm going to show you a way to generate even more than 5% commissions, because when you sell digital products, because it's not manufactured in a factory, you can earn upwards of 50, 60, 70, 80% commissions. It just makes a lot more money. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can check out my masterclass for free. You can click the link right below this video to get access to that. And I hope you enjoyed this little coverage of Nike's affiliate program. Very cool. And I will see you on the next video. Take care.